Yeah, so this is now the $2 trillion club. 12 zeros means Nvidia's market cap is more than the individual GDPs of Russia, Mexico, Australia. That's all based on 2023 IMF data.
In the high-stakes arena of AI technology, one company stands out for its meteoric rise in sheer financial magnitude: Nvidia. Over the last year, Nvidia's market cap has surged to over $2 trillion. But how did a company that so few people have heard of reach such jaw-dropping financial heights? Well, the company hasn't come out of nowhere, as it is a comeback story 30 years in the making. This leap wasn't just a fluke, it was a testament to Nvidia's relentless growth, with a jaw-dropping 220% increase in share price throughout 2023 alone.
A new industrial revolution. Every data center should be accelerated. Over the course of the last 8 years, we've increased computation by 1,000 times. 8 years, 1,000 times.
Nvidia, for a long time not a household name, orchestrates the digital backbone of over 90% of Fortune 100 companies. But how has Nvidia dominated the market for AI computer chips? What makes Nvidia different from its competitors like AMD and Intel? And what future technologies is Nvidia developing in AI, machine learning, and beyond? Nvidia, founded in 1993 by Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Priam, originated with the distinct focus on the development of graphics processing units, GPUs, for gaming. This focus stemmed from the growing demand for higher graphical fidelity and performance in video games during the early 90s. Nvidia's significant breakthrough came with the introduction of the GeForce 256 in 1999, which was marketed as the world's first GPU. This innovation was pivotal as it integrated transformations, lighting, and rendering in a single chip, dramatically enhancing the gaming experience by offloading these complex tasks from the CPU. This period marked Nvidia's dedication to pushing the boundaries of what was possible in gaming graphics, setting the foundation for its future endeavors. But how did Nvidia's focus on GPU development for gaming in its early years influence its transition into AI and other computational fields? The transition from a gaming-centric focus to becoming a powerhouse in AI computation was marked by Nvidia's foresight in recognizing the potential of GPUs for parallel processing tasks beyond gaming. This pivot was significantly fueled by the realization that the parallel processing capabilities of GPUs could be leveraged for deep learning and AI, areas that require immense computational power for data processing and model training. Nvidia's key technological breakthrough in this domain came with the introduction of CUDA, which stands for Compute Unified Device Architecture, in 2006.
CUDA has revolutionized the world by allowing humans to compute large blocks of data in parallel. A CPU is designed to be versatile, while a GPU is designed to go really fast in parallel. CUDA allows developers to tap into the GPU's power, and data scientists all around the world are using it this very moment, trying to train the most powerful machine learning models.
This innovation laid the groundwork for Nvidia's dominance in AI, setting the stage for Nvidia's current leadership in AI hardware. But how does CUDA work, and what makes it different from other computing platforms? CUDA distinguishes itself as Nvidia's innovative parallel computing platform by enabling unprecedented performance enhancements across various computational domains. It achieves this by allowing developers to harness the parallel processing power of Nvidia GPUs, which can contain thousands of smaller, efficient processing cores, compared to the handful of cores found in traditional CPUs. This architectural difference is pivotal. While a high-end CPU might feature 8 to 64 cores optimized for sequential processing, a typical Nvidia GPU under the CUDA platform can boast anywhere from hundreds to thousands of cores designed for parallel data processing. For example, Nvidia's Ampere architecture GPUs feature thousands of CUDA cores, enabling parallel processing tasks to be executed significantly faster than on a CPU. It's sort of like if you're driving down the highway and you're coming to a toll road and there's one gate open, all the cars have to get into line and go one at a time. This causes traffic to slow down. But what if the highway was 100 lanes long and all the gates were open and allowed all the cars to go through, making the traffic move faster? It has been reported that CUDA can accelerate certain computational tasks by up to 50 to 100 times compared to CPU-only computations. But how did Nvidia take CUDA technology and use it to advance its deep learning capabilities as well as AI-specific hardware? Nvidia's strategic foresight into deep learning and neural networks began to crystallize in the early 2010s as the company started making early bets and investments in these technologies, understanding their potential to revolutionize computing. Recognizing the need for specialized hardware to efficiently train increasingly complex neural network models, Nvidia launched the Tesla series in 2007, GPUs designed specifically for high-performance computing and data centers. This series, followed by the introduction of the DGX series in 2016, represented a significant leap in AI-specific hardware. The DGX systems, equipped with multiple Tesla GPUs, were purpose-built for deep learning, offering unprecedented computational power. These systems could deliver up to 1 petaflop of performance, equivalent to 10 to the 15 floating point operations per second, dramatically reducing the time required for training deep learning models from weeks to just hours. But how easy has everything been for Nvidia? Have they ever faced any significant challenges that held back their growth? Nvidia's journey through the tech landscape hasn't been without its perilous moments, one of which was in the late 1990s and early 2000s, when the company faced significant financial difficulties. The period was marked by intense competition in the GPU market, rapid technological changes, and strategic missteps that put Nvidia at the risk of bankruptcy. The graphics card industry was fiercely competitive, with numerous players vying for market share, leading to price wars and thinning profit margins. Nvidia also faced challenges related to product launches and technological integration, which, coupled with external market pressures, including the bursting of the dot-com bubble, strained its financial resources. However, Nvidia's resilience during this critical phase was notable. The company managed to pivot strategically by doubling down on innovation and carving out a niche for itself with the successful launch of the GeForce series. This not only revitalized its product lineup, but also repositioned Nvidia as a leader in the graphics market. Nvidia's ability to navigate through these tumultuous times, spurred by strategic vision and innovation, underscored the company's adaptability and resilience, setting the stage for its future successes. But what about recent struggles, since it almost went bankrupt at the turn of the century? Has anything been able to slow down this massively successful company? One of the biggest challenges Nvidia has faced was its attempted acquisition of ARM Limited in 2020. This deal, valued at around $40 billion, aimed to create a powerhouse in the semiconductor industry, combining Nvidia's leading position in GPUs with ARM's widespread influence in mobile processing architectures. However, the acquisition encountered significant regulatory hurdles globally, with authorities in the United States, European Union, and China expressing concerns over competition and national security implications. These concerns were rooted in ARM's neutral position in the semiconductor industry, licensing its technology to a wide range of companies, including Nvidia's competitors. The fear was that Nvidia's acquisition could limit access to ARM's technology or lead to unfair competitive advantages. Ultimately, after facing intense scrutiny and opposition from multiple regulatory bodies and industry players, Nvidia officially called off the acquisition in February 2022. But the ultimate question everyone is asking is, will Nvidia continue their domination of the AI industry? Could it continue its growth and potentially become the first company to reach a $10 trillion valuation? Industry insiders have mixed feelings about this.
Nvidia is still not expensive. It's actually still the cheapest of all of the AI stocks. It's way cheaper than AMD. It's cheaper than Marvell. It's even cheaper than Intel at this point, right? So,
for industry experts who are for the idea, Nvidia's trajectory towards becoming the first $10 trillion company is underpinned by its unrivaled dominance in the GPU market, pivotal role in the AI revolution, and strategic expansions into high-growth areas like autonomous vehicles, healthcare AI, and data centers. The company's continuous innovation in creating industry-leading GPU technologies and AI platforms positions it at the heart of several technological megatrends, including AI, machine learning, and the Internet of Things. Nvidia's GPUs are indispensable for AI training and inference, areas expected to see exponential growth in demand as AI becomes increasingly integrated into various sectors. However, some believe that Nvidia will not reach a $10 trillion valuation, and here are a couple reasons why.
When you make pricing statements against a subgroup of stocks, in this case AI stocks, and say it's the cheapest of the AI stocks, that might very well be true, but they might all be overvalued. I think at the moment, the fact that I think we have to accept is AI is real. It's going to make a real difference to business. And I think NVIDIA is in the front seat of that market. That said, though, that pathway is not as easy and as open to profits as the market seems to be assuming it is.
First, the tech industry is notorious for its rapid innovation and competition, where today's leaders can quickly become tomorrow's laggards if they fail to adapt to new technologies or market shifts. Nvidia faces intense competition from other tech giants and emerging startups in AI, semiconductors, and autonomous technologies. Additionally, regulatory hurdles, geopolitical tensions, and supply chain vulnerabilities pose risk to Nvidia's operations and growth prospects. The sheer scale of reaching a $10 trillion market cap also requires Nvidia to not only dominate existing markets, but also successfully create and lead new markets, a feat fraught with unpredictability and the need for continuous groundbreaking innovation. Thus, while Nvidia's prospects are bright, the journey to becoming the first $10 trillion company is fraught with challenges that could hamper its path to achieving this unprecedented valuation. Regardless of what happens, Nvidia's remarkable journey from the brink of bankruptcy to becoming a $1 trillion linchpin in the tech industry is not just a story of survival, but a visionary triumph. Another company that is building cutting-edge AI tech is OpenAI. They are using Nvidia's chips to create the future of AI video with Sora. Check out this video where I explain all about the innovative tech they are producing powered by Nvidia. Until next time, thank you for watching.